Have a good day everyone, and today we will see dynamic input in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Type C for circle, C display in only command bar. Okay, enter. Circle. Okay, E type for erase, E enter. Okay, go right corner on screen, click customization, tick dynamic input. Okay, exit. Now click dynamic input on. Okay, C type for circle, C circle. Now display in black screen, C. Okay, enter. Circle. E type for erase, E erase. Now display in black screen. Okay, enter. Select, enter. Okay, go dynamic input, click for off, now off. C type for circle. Okay, dynamic input, click to on. Now C type for circle. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.